So I was just on vacation in Fort Lauderdale at this condo that we've owned for 20 years, and we go away the same week when the kids are off from school, and I couldn't believe how prices and how rampant inflation was. The economy's booming in South Florida. Cranes are filling the skylines, and I couldn't get a restaurant on a Monday night. So I walked away from that vacation saying, the recession isn't coming. Prices are going to stay stickier and high for longer, and that's really been the consistent message in the last year and a half at our firm. People argue and tell me that the inflation trade is over. It's not, and here's why. There's a lot of structural issues and driving forces. You've got U.S. companies looking to manufacture their goods, leave China, rebuild their supply chains here in the U.S. You have a tight labor market. You've got a consumer that's short at their balance sheet. So as long as demand stays high and supply is restricted, we think that price is going to stay higher. And if I think about 2022, 2023, higher multiple stocks are being disproportionately punished relative to lower multiple stocks. If I look at the PE ratio of our ETF PPI, the PE ratio is about 9. If I look at the S&P 500, the PE ratio is about 17, 18. 2 years ago, when we put together our inflation-sensitive SMA model portfolio, we told advisors that we thought that there'd be like a 3 to 5 year trade where inflation would stay higher for longer. We're roughly in year 2, so we think we've got a long way to go before CPI gets anywhere near back to trend line. Inflation can erode your purchasing power. It's very important to have inflation-sensitive assets in your portfolio that can help you mitigate and potentially profit from higher inflation. I don't think you can have one asset class and call it that's your inflation strategy. I think you have to have a combination and a dynamic, flexible approach to have a one-ticker solution that'll give you exposure to various asset classes. And then the last thing I'll say is that when I talk to financial advisors all the time, that they say that they've missed the inflation trade. I think that this trade is over when you get, these inflation-linked assets trading at a premium to the market multiple. We've got a long runway left in this trade.